Hello, my beautiful souls. Take a deep breath. If you found this reading, it is not by accident. This message is meant for those who are emotionally connected to someone but seeking clarity. Set your intention, focus on the person you are thinking about, and allow the message to come through. I already pre-shuffled the cards. Now we'll see what are their true feelings for you right now. Cosmic knowledge. Current energy between you, Five of Cups, their conscious feelings, Nine of Swords, their hidden emotions, strength, what they want to say but won't, Queen of Cups, what blocks them emotionally, Seven of Wands, how they'll act next, the Moon, what you should know, Three of Swords. So if we see what are their true feelings for you right now is the overall theme is cosmic knowledge. Here Master Merlin is guiding you with the knowledge you need to face the situation right now. And current energy between you is Five of Cups. They are feeling regret. They are feeling regret and they feel as a failure. They regret for the decision what they have taken and they are emotionally broken in the current scenario. And their conscious feeling is, as I said, they are emotionally broken in the current scenario, because of which they are feeling stressed and they are undergoing depression and anxiety. So they are consciously feeling anxiety because of the decision what they have taken. But their hidden emotions is they have a courage. They have a courage and strength to face the situation or to face the consequences for the decision what they have already taken. Okay? And what they want to say but they won't. They are saying they want to say that they want to be emotionally compassionate with you and they want to start a family with you and want to have a happy and healthy relationship. Okay? And what blocks them emotionally is they are setting some boundaries between you and them, because of which they are fighting some emotional challenges due to those boundaries, because they have taken some decision because of which they had to fight back those challenges which are eventually popping in their life. And what they'll do next, how they will act next. So I can see a strong third party situation. Some third person is popping in between you and your person, and that is the reason maybe your person has taken some decision because of which he or she is feeling regret and feeling has a failure, maybe failure in this relationship, and because of their decision they are stressed out and they are feeling depressed. Though they want to be compassionate with you and start a family with you, they are not able to express it and they are trying to fight back the challenges which are created because of the boundaries your person have created for the decision they have taken. So there is some third person entering your life. So they will probably choose the third party, but they are not able to leave you as well. So they are very emotionally low but I can see that there will be a strong third party, and your person will choose that third person. And what you should know is, as I said, your person will try to choose the third party, because of which you will feel heartbroken. You will feel hurt. So you should know this. That is the reason the truth of this connection is guided by Master Merlin. He is giving you the cosmic knowledge. You will have some pop-ups in your thoughts. That can be your sixth sense. Your sixth sense is activating. Your intuition is guiding you. So don't ignore whatever pops in your thoughts, because that is a blessing from Master Merlin to make you understand the situation. So in order to summarize the reading, your person is feeling regret and failure because of the decision what they have taken, and they are emotionally unstable at the moment, and because of the decision they have taken, they are feeling stressed and depressed, and they are under a lot of anxiety, but still they are not losing their strength and courage, because they feel that whatever decision they have taken, it is right, and they have taken that decision with lot of strength and courage. Though they have taken a decision which is to move away from you and to choose some other person, still they don't want to leave you, and they want to be with you, start a family with you, and try to be emotionally compassionate with you. But what is blocking them to reach you out is because of the decision they have taken. They have to set some boundaries between you and them, and they are trying to fight back the challenges they are facing because of the decision they have taken. And because of their decision, they will choose the third party over you, and because of which you will feel broken hearted and you will feel hurt. So they are hiding this from you. So just be cautious for all the intuition messages you get. That is a blessing from Master Merlin to take a decision or to take a next step in your life. Okay? Just be cautious. Remember, love should bring peace, not confusion. Take what resonates and release what doesn't. If this reading brought you clarity or comfort, please subscribe for weekly love guidance. You deserve clarity, love, and emotional fulfillment.